Let's go. I'm gonna take one of these.
Yeah, go ahead. 21 Savage.
So, okay, so I'm Guy Wesley from Slime Junkies.
So you're a junkie on slime?
I love slime. But today we're not going to do slime. We're going to be testing some gummies. I'm going to stop talking and get straight to the First, we have Haribo Twin Snacks, sweet and sour. And this is like
oh, it's too close to the camera. At first I thought you said Ebola.
It says I'm sweet and I'm sour. Me too.
I'm sweet and I'm sour. Yeah, let go. I want the.
Wait, you can get a new one. This one.
Yeah, that's good enough.
I want to try this one too. So, let's taste this. That is sour.
Let me guess, the orange is sour.
Lemon and apple. No, this one.
Stop overreacting. You know that's not.
I'm not. It really is sour.
Bruh.
It's good though. It's kind of sour. That's it for that one. That's nice and too. I'm gonna try this one. It's orange and purple. The orange is kind of sour. It's not as sour as the last one. It is sour.
Really?
I'm gonna try orange by itself.
Is that Stephen Curry? Oh, I gotta see this real quick. Yeah, that's the.
Show it. You can show it to me.
I'm good.
That.
I'm a boss. It would have been funny if I hit you in the face with the camera. You'll be like, no, you hit me in the face.
Never have these dolls.
No, I'm not tasting those, for real. No, I'm not. I don't have to. I hate those. What am I getting paid? 50 cents?
Nope.
That's all you have. Ooh, you just got roasted. You just got burned. You might need an ice pack for that burn. I don't want it. No, I'm good. I just don't want it.
Just try it.
You know I'm sorry.
Okay, do it then. I don't like it.
Yeah. Yeah.
He doesn't like it?
No.
I know. Because it's okay.
It's just too disgusting for me. Sorry.
It's okay. But I give it out of 10. Well, that is a 10 out of 10. And this one is a 4 out of 10. Camera picker.
Oh,
And last,
but no
least not least, Haribo Happy Cola. Tastes like cola. The top of it tastes like cola.
No.
It tastes so good. And this one, let's try. It tastes like cola. Hey guys, and that's it for this video. Like, subscribe. Make sure you get this to at least 20 likes and subscribers. And have a great day. Bye.